Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing? Welcome back to Aprotech. So today we are back with our Pixel 10 Pro. If you are someone who doesn't know about Pixels, today I'm back with Pixel 10 Pro. So this is one of the latest phones in Google Pixels. So once again, I'm going to give you only two coolest features why I like Pixel 10 Pro. Yeah, so let's proceed with coolest feature number one. So what I like about this phone, recently I got a baby, so most of times when I go into hospital, they tell me that if you are to give a baby certain medicine, you have to first measure its temperature. So I'm back with its thermometer. This is the thermometer that was embedded in this Pixel 10 Pro. So I'm going to show you how this feature works. So I've come with my normal room temperature, water, and this cold one, and this beverage Sprite, the cold one. So I want us to test the temperature of this, and we see whether this thermometer works well on Pixel 10 Pro. So let's first power these liquids into these bottles, then we check very well. Now this is fridge water. This is room temperature. Now we are going to measure this. So guys, when you go here onto your phone, you have to check for this thermometer. Once you open this thermometer, you need to select what type of food are you going to measure. So I'm going to go with liquids. In liquids we have water, oil, milk, wine, so many. So you open this, then once you open this one, they tell you that move closer for accuracy. So we move closer to this water until this ring gets full. So as you can see, when you move like this, it tells us this one is 23.8. Let's go with 0.8, and we got this Sprite because it's from fridge. As you can see, it's 20. Sorry, I was going to roll. You see, when it gets full, it tells us the liquid should be full actually. So let's make it full so that there is no space. See, it is giving us 13.2. See, 13.2. So when you go into this water that was in fridge also, you see it gives us also 13.1. when you do a refresh check again, you see it doesn't change. It is like that. See, when you go back here, it is again measuring 12, 11. So when it is stable, I'm a little shaking. When it is stable like this, then you tap here, it gives you that accuracy. Let's measure again this room. Don't forget the thermometer is here at the end, and don't forget this is waterproof phone, so even if it falls into water, no worries. So but once you move here, it is not supposed to touch. This is an error. It's not supposed to touch into the water, but you just have to move closer. After moving closer, then you tap here. That's when it gives you the accuracy, as you can see guys. So that's the best that's the best coolest feature I like about this Pixel, because it helps me when I'm going to give my baby medicine. I use this to measure its temperature in Celsius. Yeah, so let's move into number 2. Yeah, so guys, another feature that I've told you about Google Pixel 10 Pro is about camera. So once you go into your camera, you go and select add me feature. Most of you guys, you see this feature but you don't know what it means, so I'm going to show you how add me works. So my colleague is going to take me a picture, then I'll show you how this works. Takes me a picture. Yeah, after that, after taking me a picture, okay, you also go there. Now. Now I'm going to take him a picture, but you have to make sure this frame goes into white. Send a little bit this side. I see, like that. You have to make sure you maintain the same height that you used, like that. You extend this side a little, yeah, like that. Then you take a picture like that. After taking a picture, then you wait a little bit, then after the photo goes directly here. As you can see, this is the first thing, this is the second picture, then this is add me feature, add me. As you can see, it's tried not to. Let me take another picture so that we can see we have the whole frame without cutting the second person, as you can see. But even if you zoom, you see the picture is very clear, it is very okay. Yeah, come. Alright, yeah, you go there. After him going there, as I told you, make sure you maintain this same frame, then you take a picture like that. Yeah, as I've told you, you wait and see here. As you see this, now the photo has gone there, then you click there, and after that, this is the first one. This is it, as you can see. Yeah, it is very clear, doesn't show any issue. As you can see, shows that we are all sitting on the but now to avoid such, you make sure you don't sit in the same position where he was sitting. But you see, when he sat in the same position where I was, that's why you say my leg is backside. Yeah, but that is it. That's how you can take your photos together. Yeah, so guys, that is the best feature in number 2. Yeah, so guys, let's roll down to number 3. So in number 3 we have camera pixels. So here we can zoom and we can have one of the best features. And about zooming, I want us to go about zooming. When you zoom, it has what we call embedded AI that edits your photos immediately. So as you can see, I'm editing this word terrace. You see, even you can see in the background, it shows you Mbarara Central Market, which is in about 1 kilometer almost. And you can again continue zoom. You see, it does editing. I'm also going to take a photo of this. You see how AI immediately does editing of this photo. See, when we zoom to normal, this is where you cannot see it with your naked eye. Yeah, so guys, when you are taking photos, it gives you 100, it gives you 100 megapixel zoom, so you can zoom anything in 100. As you can see, once it zooms, it immediately uses the AI to edit the photo. But in zooming, it is always encouraged to have that gimbal that can help you to avoid shaking. As you can see, guys, what I'm zooming right now, I've now reached in 50, 41. Then I want us to take a photo, then we see how will the AI edit this so fast. So let me take this signpost, which is in about 1 kilometer. Then we check how AI will work on it. As you can see now, AI is working on it. Yeah, as you see, it has worked on it, but the you cannot read the words very well because it was obstructed by another tree in front. Let's go ahead and we take another photo of let's zoom. For example, this is called, so we can see it well with our eyes. As you can see, there is little darkness. Let's take a picture, we see how AI will work on it. Now we are finished. Let's wait. Yeah, you see, it is super clear. This is super clear, guys. This is all this is all AI work. So as you can see, we can zoom photos that are in 1 kilometer. You can even zoom something that you don't see with your eyes. See, then in video it can give you above. In video it gives you only at 50 when you are taking video. As you can see now, I'm taking video. When you are taking video, it cannot exceed at 20. As you can see, 20 megapixel zoom. Yeah, that is it. That's what I like about Pixel phones. Pixel phones, they go just extra miles, guys. Yeah, so let me catch you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, then catch you in the next one.